Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Now let's take you to the state of Telangana. We have got a big breaking news now coming in. BJP's Navneet Rana has given out a threat to Owaisi brothers on a remark which was given by Akbaruddin Owaisi back in 2013. She has said, and I'm going to quote her here, that remove police for 15 seconds and we will tell you what we can do. Remember, this is in response to the speech that Akbaruddin Owaisi made in 2013. He said that if 15 minutes will be given to them, they will show what they can do. Let's listen into what Navneet Rana said first.
मैं आप लोगों को इतना बताना चाहूंगी कि एमआईएम को और कांग्रेस को अगर हम मतदान करते हैं तो वो सीधा मतदान पाकिस्तान को जाता है, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से एमआईएम के लिए और कांग्रेस प्रेम, राहुल गांधी प्रेम पाकिस्तान वहां से दिखा रहा है कि मोदी को हराओ और राहुल बाबू को जिताओ। जैसे पहले पाकिस्तान के इशारों पे कांग्रेस सरकार रहने के बाद पाकिस्तान के इशारों पे देश चलाती थी कांग्रेस, आज वही पाकिस्तान फिर एक बार दिखा रही है कि उन्हें कांग्रेस पे कितना प्यार है और कांग्रेस के साथ बैठने वाला एमआईएम के साथ कितना प्यार है।
नवनीत राणा को इस मर्तबा समझ में आ गया है कि वो अमरावती से बुरी तरह से चुनाव हार रही है और अमरावती से आनंदराज अंबेडकर जी चुनाव भारी अक्सरियत के साथ जीत रहे हैं, जिनको हमारी पार्टी मजलिस ने समर्थन दिया था। तो ये जो उनको ये झटका पड़ा है, ये जो सदमा उनके दिमाग में लगा है, वो बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सक रही है और इस तरह की अनाप शनाप बातें करने लग गई। क्या ये बयान अलाउड है इलेक्शन के अंदर? हम चाहेंगे कि इलेक्शन कमीशन इस बात का संज्ञान ले, इस स्टेटमेंट का संज्ञान ले और इनके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करे।
All right, so we'll bring you more details about what exactly transpired there in the speech that Navneet Rana has given in response to the speech which was given by Akbaruddin Owaisi back in 2013 in Hyderabad. But this is the word coming in from Navneet Rana of BJP while she was addressing a rally in Telangana. She said, and in fact given a threat to Owaisi brothers about the remark which was made by Akbaruddin Owaisi back in 2013. Of course, him saying that give us 15 minutes and we will show what we can do, to which Navneet Rana has now responded and said that remove police just for 15 seconds and we will tell you what we can do. We have CNN News 18's Vinaya Deshpande joining us live on the broadcast. Vinaya, very good morning to you. Please walk us through this latest battle that has now erupted between Navneet and Owaisi brothers.
Well, very good morning, Sakshi. Yes, in fact, this is a fresh war of words now when Navneet Rana, who's a sitting MP from Amravati, has gone to Telangana. She was campaigning for a BJP candidate there, and we've seen that, not only has she kind of challenged the Owaisi brothers, saying that you have asked for 15 minutes, I say just that remove the police only for 15 seconds. But going ahead, she has also hit out at the Congress and the AIMIM, saying that if you vote for AIMIM and Congress, the vote goes directly to Pakistan. So clearly the kind of statements that she has made, the kind of allegations she has leveled with respect to AIMIM Prem and Rahul Prem, that she has claimed that Pakistan is showing. We have seen that the AIMIM is not just unhappy with it, but it has also now sought the intervention by the Election Commission, where it has said that this is in violation of the Model Code of Conduct and that strict action should be taken against them. This is not the first time that a similar controversy has broken out. We have seen Navneet Rana in the past as well make controversial statements. This time on, she has said this in Telangana, in Hyderabad, when she was campaigning. AIMIM is in no mood to take this lying down. It has hit back at Navneet Rana, saying that it's only the defeat that's making her say this and that she will lose this seat this time on to Prakash Ambedkar, who's the VBA candidate from here. Back to you.
Right, Vinaya. Thank you so much for putting that out for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more political developments in that story. Right now, shifting focus to another piece of breaking news now coming in.